In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit undo on Squarespace. Starting a website on Squarespace can be an exciting journey. It's a platform that combines simplicity with powerful tools, allowing anyone to create a stunning online presence. But even the best of us make mistakes or change our minds about design choices. That's where the ability to undo your edits comes in handy. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Squarespace website. It's the gateway to all your Squarespace projects and the beginning of our journey today. Once you're on the Squarespace site, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button to proceed. This is your key to access the vast array of Squarespace's features and your personal website dashboard. After clicking login, you're going to see an option to continue with Google. This is a convenient feature if you prefer linking your Google account for a quick and seamless login process. It's one less password to remember, and for many of us that's a blessing in itself. Now, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Ensure you choose the Google account associated with your Squarespace site. This brings us closer to making those much needed edits or undoing them. Next, navigate to your website dashboard. You can do this easily by clicking on the link provided, which will direct you straight to your site's backend. Here's where the magic happens. It's the control room of your Squarespace site. Now you're going to move to the editing part of this process. By clicking on the edit link, you'll be taken to the page where all your creative content lives. This is the canvas where your website comes to life, and today we're going to tweak that canvas. Once in the edit mode, go ahead and make any changes you feel necessary. Remember, creativity is about experimentation. Try adding a new image, tweaking the text, or changing the layout. Squarespace is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so don't hold back. However, let's say you make a change and immediately realize it's not quite what you wanted. No problem. That's exactly what the undo feature is there for. Look for the undo icon at the top left corner of the screen. It's your quick fix, allowing you to revert your last action as if it never happened. Clicking the undo icon instantly takes you back one step. It's as simple as that. Whether you added something by mistake, deleted the wrong text, or just prefer your previous design, the undo function is an essential tool in your Squarespace editing kit, and just like that, you've mastered one of Squarespace's most helpful features. Remember, building the perfect website is a process. It involves trial and error, and with the undo feature, you have the freedom to experiment without the worry of making irreversible mistakes. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has made your Squarespace journey a little smoother. Dive back into your site with confidence, knowing that with just a click you can undo and edit to perfection. Happy designing?